In this video, let's talk about the way that you use the Chase Credit Journey free score. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. Now, this is a free tool that is provided to Chase users, which lets you check and monitor the Vantage score without having any effects on your credit score. Now, the way that you use this feature is you'll be able to find this option within the Chase mobile banking application. Just scroll down on your dashboard and you'll be able to see the option which says Chase Credit Journey. Now, within this platform, you'll be able to view your current score and track how many points it changes up and down over time. So using this feature, you can take a look at your current credit score that you have, and you can check as well if this goes up or down over time, and you can exactly identify what is impacting your score as well. So whether if your score is going down over time, you can head over to the overviews tab and take a look at the exact issue that your credit score is going down. You can also head over to score breakdown and get access to the full detailed credit card report. So these are some of the features that Chase Bank provides. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.